The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has firmly rejected a request from the People's Democratic Party to redeploy the state's resident electoral commissioner, Toyin Babalola. This decision comes in response to concerns raised by the PDP regarding the upcoming November 16th governorship election in Ondo State. The party had questioned Babalola's suitability for the role, citing a long-term residency in the state as a potential conflict of interest. In a letter addressed to INEC chairman Mahmood Yakub, the PDP claimed that Babalola has lived in Ondo for over 3 decades. They argued that even if she's not originally from Ondo, her extensive time in the state makes her unfit to serve as an impartial umpire in the forthcoming election. The party's letter states in part, a diligent check on the background of the rec would have revealed that she currently lives in her parents' house in Akure town, the state capital. It further emphasized that under the Nigerian constitution, anyone who has lived in a place for 10 years qualifies for recognition as an indigene. This request follows a previous allegation by Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde that Babalola was an indigene of Ondo, which INEC had already denied last week. However, INEC has stood its ground on the matter. Rotimi Oyekami, the spokesperson for the INEC chairman, spoke with the cable and said the commission would not redeploy Babalola. Oyekami stated that no genuine incontrovertible evidence of criminal or unethical activities has been presented against the Ondo State rec. He affirmed INEC's commitment to conducting a free, fair, and credible election in Ondo State, appealing to all contesting political parties to cooperate with the commission. As the November 16th date approaches, all eyes will be on Ondo State to see how this situation evolves. Stay tuned for more news stories at NaijaNews TV.